Hey guys, I'm going to show y'all really quickly how to change out your fuel filters on a Mercury 90 horsepower motor, 4-stroke.
Motorboat? You play the motorboat? You motorboating son of a...
Let's check it out. So first you have a lever here. You take off, then you have your lever in the back, which you just twist in a circle. And there you have it. All right, I'm using the Quicksilver inline fuel filters here. You can go with the Mercury brand ones, but they're a little more expensive. These look and do the same exact thing as those, so they're a little bit cheaper. Save yourself some money. Okay, so one thing you'll notice are these arrows here. I don't know if you could see them on camera, but it'll tell you the direction that you want this to go facing. And all you do is press these red buttons. You don't even need to press them very hard. And there you go. So you can see the difference between the old one and a brand new one here. Okay, so my arrow there needs to go towards the engine. And really you could take it off, put it on the same way you took the other one off. And you just simply snap it in there. Snap. Snap. And there you go. It's probably the easiest thing you can do on a boat. Alright, and that's all it takes. You can see how old and ugly these things were. I just got this boat. I'm not sure when they were last replaced, but these look pretty old. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next one. Last thing to do is jump in the water.